Are you having problems with Netflix app error 5.8 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just close your Netflix app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. And now on our settings app we're just going to scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see it should now take you here, which is great. In here we're just going to scroll down and then click on storage in here, and then we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load. So just wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see you should now be able to see all the apps in here. If you scroll down you can see all the apps that you have on your phone. But to be able to find Netflix quite quickly, you're just going to swipe all the way up in here until you can see up top where it says search. So just click on search, then search for Netflix in here and click on the Netflix app. So now what you're going to do, you're going to force your Netflix app to completely update to its latest version. And you do that by clicking offload app, and once again clicking on offload app in here, and just going to wait here up and click on the blue button here once again, as you can see, and just wait for your Netflix app to now completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself, by the way, and after that it actually worked. So I had to wait for it to load completely, like until it's finished basically, then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.